Book Restoration Explained, Reviving the Pages of Time. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting and unique topic, book restoration. This process is like a bridge connecting the past to the present, helping us preserve the stories and knowledge of yesteryears. Let's embark on this journey to understand what book restoration is all about. Book restoration is a specialized process of repairing and preserving old books. It's an art where skilled craftsmen or conservators use various techniques to restore books to their former glory. This involves mending torn pages, rebinding loose covers, cleaning and deacidifying paper, and sometimes even restoring illustrations. The goal is to make the book usable again while preserving its historical value. Step 1. Assessment. First, experts assess the book's condition. They look at factors like age, material, and extent of damage. This step is crucial for planning the restoration process. Step 2. Cleaning. The book is carefully cleaned to remove dirt and stains. This is done with utmost care to avoid further damage. Step 3. Repairing damage. This step involves repairing torn pages, reattaching loose covers, and sometimes recreating missing parts. Specialists use materials that are as close as possible to the original. Step 4. Preservation. Finally, measures are taken to preserve the book for the future. This might include using acid-free paper, installing protective covers, or climate-controlled storage. Book restoration is crucial for preserving history. Old books are not just reading material. They are artifacts that hold stories, knowledge, and cultures of the past. By restoring them, we keep this heritage alive for future generations. It's a way to maintain a tangible connection to our history. Book restoration is not without its challenges. It requires a balance between preserving the original material and making the book durable for future use. Also, finding materials that match the original, especially in very old books, can be a difficult task. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the art of book restoration. It's a meticulous and loving process that breathes new life into old books, allowing us to hold a piece of history in our hands. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past, and we hope to see you again in our next video.